Well, hello. Can you believe it that in 3 days, 3 mere days, the year of 2020 will be behind us forever? We're starting a new year. I know you know that. You know I know that. And I want to say, whatever 2020 brought to you in your relationship, my goodness, relationships had a much harder time in 2020 than any other time period in most of our lifetimes. Economic issues, being isolated at home together, the cracks in your foundation really showing up under pressure. And I want to reassure you that you can always begin again. Let me repeat that. In love, in sexuality, in communication, no matter how far apart you've grown, no matter what issues are going on for you, no matter how great things are, you can begin again right now in this moment. And don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to make a big commitment on January 1st to have the world's best relationship, because I'm a psychologist and a sex therapist. I know what I'm freaking doing. And I know behavior change is difficult and it takes time. But stay tuned, because in January, I'm going to be running a free mini masterclass, a free month-long sort of challenge, a little bit of ideas, a little bit of exercises, keep you accountable and help you start 2021 off right. Working on your intimacy, thrill, and sensuality. You'll learn more about those in the month coming up. Don't worry for now. We're going to kick off on January 5th with the next written LoveByte. We're going to give you some details, and I'm going to be available to you this month to help you make love intentional. Make love intentional. Guys, gals, people, couples, gay, straight, whoever you love, whoever you are. Great relationships are not an accident. Great relationships take time, they take energy, they take an investment, they take goal setting, and they take intentionality. That's why the overarching theme of all the work I do, of my 3-month passion immersion program, is become passion. Create the passion you want, make love intentional, and we're going to kick off 2021 together. I'm going to do it with you, with my sweetheart. Leo, my project manager, he's going to do it with us, with his sweetheart. And together we're going to use the month of January to set ourselves up for a better, more passionate, more loving, and more fun 2021. Details coming your way, but for today, here's a mini little challenge for you. On New Year's Eve, find a moment, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, stop, look in your sweetheart's eyes, caress their face, and say, I love you, babe. And 2021 is going to be the best year of our relationship yet. And then give them a kiss like you're eating the world's most delectable chocolate and knock their socks off. I'll see you soon. Happy New Year. And 2020, thank you for everything you've taught us. Bye-bye.